Welcome. Let us see how to enquire and claim unclaimed deposit from Indian Bank. Visit Indian Bank homepage at https://www.indianbank.in. In the homepage, please click News and then select Notifications. In the Notifications page, scroll up and you will find the Unclaimed Deposit section. Please go through the instructions. Now click the link, click here for list of unclaimed deposits. Here enter your name in the first field. Then enter the text as displayed near in the second field. Click search, the results will be displayed here. All names containing your input will be shown with address. Scroll down and find your name and address. If not found, then try with spelling change. After confirming your name and address, now go back to the previous notification screen. Please download the process for claiming in claim form. Here is the process to claim your deposits. This is the claim form. This is a model form. You can prepare your own form with adequate space. Please fill this form and visit the branch where the account was maintained along with documents as per process chart. Fill all details without omission. Sign and write your name. Obtain the acknowledgement portion duly signed by the officer. Your claim will be processed by the bank and the balance outstanding will be settled through demand draft.